Everyone experiences emotions every day. Sometimes emotions feel overwhelming or hard to control. Learning how to manage your emotions wisely can help you stay calm, make better decisions, and improve your relationships. Here are some simple steps to manage your emotions effectively. Step 1. Recognize your emotions. The first step is to notice what you are feeling. Take a moment to ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Is it anger, sadness, happiness, anxiety, or something else? Naming your emotions helps you understand them better and prevents them from controlling you. Step 2. Accept your emotions. It is important to accept your feelings without judging them. Emotions are natural, and it's okay to feel angry or sad sometimes. Don't try to ignore or push your emotions away. Instead, allow yourself to feel them, knowing that emotions will pass with time. Step 3. Understand the cause. Try to find out why you feel this way. What event or thought triggered your emotion? Understanding the cause helps you find the best way to respond instead of reacting impulsively. For example, if you feel angry because of a misunderstanding, you can choose to talk calmly and clear things up. Step 4. Take a pause. When emotions are strong, take a pause before acting. Breathe deeply and count to 5. This short break gives your mind time to calm down and think clearly. It helps you avoid saying or doing something you might regret later. Step 5. Express your emotions constructively. Find healthy ways to express what you feel. You can talk to a friend, write in a journal, or practice physical activities like walking or stretching. Expressing emotions in a positive way prevents stress from building up inside. Step 6. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you become aware of your thoughts and feelings but don't get carried away by them. This helps you stay balanced and less reactive to emotional situations. Step 7. Develop positive habits. Taking care of your body and mind supports emotional control. Get enough sleep, eat healthy foods, exercise regularly, and spend time doing things you enjoy. Positive habits make it easier to handle difficult emotions when they come. Step 8. Seek support when needed. Sometimes emotions can feel too heavy to manage alone. It's okay to ask for help from family, friends, or professionals. Talking to someone can provide new perspectives and tools to cope better. Summary: managing your emotions wisely is a skill that anyone can learn. By recognizing, accepting, understanding, and expressing your emotions in healthy ways, you can improve your emotional health and live a happier life. Remember to pause, practice mindfulness, build positive habits, and reach out for support when needed. Start practicing these steps today and see how your life changes for the better.